quick question. Which of these two menus is secretly losing you money? By the end of this video, you will know the answer. And more importantly, you will know exactly how to fix yours. Hi, I'm Louise from ChowNow, and I want to ask you, as a restaurant owner or operator, do you think about your menu as a list of dishes? It's actually so much more than that. It's your single most important sales tool. When your menu is too long, when profitable dishes are buried at the bottom, or when descriptions are flat and forgettable, you are leaving money on the table every single day. And the worst part, most owners don't realize it's happening. They are busy running service, managing staff, and keeping the lights on. The menu just sits there. Let's start with data. Here's how smart restaurants figure out what's working. With something called the menu engineering matrix. It breaks your dishes into 4 categories: stars, high profit, high popularity. These are your winners. Plowhorses, customer favorites, but they barely earn. Everyone orders them, slim margins. Puzzles, big profit potential, but low orders. You are not promoting them enough. And the dogs, low profit, low demand. These are quietly draining your resources. Your burger might be a Plowhorse, everyone orders it, but it's not making you much. Meanwhile, your pasta could be a quiet star. Fewer orders, but way better profit. Once you know where each dish sits on that grid, you can make smarter moves. Now that you know which dishes drive profit, let's talk about where to put them. Diners don't read menus like a book. They scan, and their eyes naturally go to specific hotspots. This is called the golden triangle. Eyes typically hit the center first, then the top right, and then the top left. So if your star items, your high profit, high popularity dishes are buried at the bottom, you're making it hard for diners to find them. Strategic placement isn't sneaky, it's smart. You are guiding diners toward dishes that they will love and will also help your bottom line. Let's talk about something that might sting a little. Your menu's probably too long. There's this thing called the paradox of choice. Too many options don't make people happy. They make them anxious. I know I do. Slower decisions, fewer orders, lower satisfaction. A streamlined menu feels more professional. It's easier to prep, it reduces waste, and it's more profitable. This is your chance to remove those dogs from part 1. If a dish isn't selling and it's not profitable, why is it taking up space and costing you time and ingredients? Here's something most restaurant owners get wrong. They think lower prices mean more sales. But that's not how pricing psychology works. What actually drives orders is perceived value. And there's 2 simple tricks you can use right now. First, price anchoring. Place a high profit, expensive item at the top of a category. That anchor makes your other stars look like a great deal in comparison. Second trick, remove the dollar signs. Currency symbols remind people they're spending money. Just using the number increases spending. It's subtle, but it works. Now, everything we just talked about, it applies to your online menu too. Actually, it's even more important there. Most diners are ordering from their phones. They're scrolling fast and you've got seconds to grab their attention. Your online menu needs to be mobile-friendly, easy to scan, and visually appealing. Use high-quality photos, organize your items into clear categories, and highlight your stars front and center. In your online ordering, you can set up a popular items category that puts your stars right where diners will see them first. You can also automate follow-ups, like sending reminder emails to past diners to bring them back without any extra effort. Your online menu isn't just a list. It is your digital storefront. Treat it like one. So why does it all matter? Because when your menu is optimized, everything gets easier. You're highlighting dishes that actually make you money. You're cutting waste, you're guiding diners toward choices that work for them and for you. And here's the best part. You don't need to reinvent your whole menu. Small tweaks like moving a star item to the center or adding a popular item section online can make a huge difference. Your menu should work as hard as you do. When it's built around data, designed with intention, and optimized for both print and digital, it becomes your most powerful profit driver. You've already done the hard part, building a great restaurant with food people love. Now it's time to make sure your menu's doing its job. Start by pulling your sales data, figure out your stars, plow horses, puzzles, and dogs, then adjust your layout, tighten your descriptions, and make sure your online menu's just as strong as your physical one. Remember, your menu should work for you, not stress you out. We're here to simplify and not add more to your plate. Want the full playbook? We've got the complete guide on menu optimization. And if you want to see how ChowNow can help you optimize your online menu and drive more profitable orders, book a demo. We'll walk you through it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.